Hello, everyone. Thank you for tuning in to J&A'S Unique Appetite and Travel. Today we're talking rabbit. Yes, fabulous crock pot rabbit, and we're going to have a salad with it and some hot rolls with butter. So all you're going to do is put a rabbit into your crock pot with 4 sticks of butter, some fresh rosemary, salt and pepper to taste, garlic powder, and you can squeeze a tidbit of lemon in there. Let that do its thing for a few hours. That rabbit's going to come out nice, tender, and juicy. You are not going to believe that. Then you can do some mixed greens and make a nice little vinaigrette to go with the greens. I usually add feta cheese and tomato to my salad, and I peel the meat off the bone for the rabbit, put it on a plate, bake me some hot rolls and butter, and let me tell you, you got your rabbit, you got your salads, you got your hot rolls, and this dinner is absolutely amazing. Like, post, and subscribe, and comment to my channel. Let me know how this meal was for you. Once again, thank you for watching J&A'S Unique Appetite and Travel. Have a good day.